ChatGPT can be used for many different things, but one area where it really excels is brainstorming. If you don't know where to start with something, you can ask it to provide a description or even generate a template to guide you. Let me give you an example. Here, I uploaded an image to ChatGPT and asked it to generate a description. At first, it mistakenly included a description of the tools in the image. I then had to specify again that I only wanted a description of the background. With that description created, we can now move into Adobe. Just like when we made the background transparent, you now need to create an outline of the products. A quick tip: you can upload the picture and under its Properties panel on the right, scroll down and click Select Subject. Adobe will try to automatically outline the products as accurately as possible. However, it's not always perfectly consistent. So, if you go to the Select tab again and click Select and Mask, Adobe will have already colored in what it detects as objects if you previously clicked Select Subject. Now, all you need to do is fill in the rest and click OK. Right-click like before and select Generative Fill. Then, enter the description text you got from ChatGPT. You can download my text in the materials provided, then click Generate. As you can see, even with clear instructions, the AI sometimes adds unexpected elements to the image that were not intended. You might need to fine-tune the results until you find something you like by clicking Generate Similar. Once again, I didn't record the final product, so you'll have to settle for something akin to it. Well done! You have now successfully created products with a custom background. In the next session, we'll head back to PowerPoint and start turning these products into a powerful template.